We're gonna do this! Woo! We are recording.
Yeah, just leave everything for now.
Woohoo!
Okay. Thank you. So amazing.
Okay. We're just sitting here in our seats. When are we going to go up? Oh. Right, we're going up now.
If I say look down, don't look down. That means so high. Or I just trying to tailgate you.
Woohoo! We're going up. We're going up.
Oh look, we're already high. Look down.
Yeah,
This is fun.
it is. Oh, we are really high already.
It's gonna be so fun.
I know.
So it's there. I'm pulling it because I'm closer.
Yeah. And also, because I don't think I can reach that high.
Have you clicked record?
Yeah, we're recording. We've been recording since the bottom. Oh, we are pretty high, actually. Yeah.
1, 2, 3,
Woo! That's so fun! Woohoo! We're going down! Oh, yes! It's beautiful!
Same experience as always.
Oh,
How much time do you always get the same experience?
yeah. It's so fun! But at the start, your heart nearly skips a beat, and then
Yeah,
it's just like, yeah.
Signs of improvement, it does.
Because you're hanging from a massive height. Oh,
Because
it's beautiful when you drop, though. It is beautiful. Oh, I just love
a lot of people I know close their eyes, miss everything.
it. Yeah. Shame. You never close your eyes on giant swings.
What's the yellow thing? Oh, it's plastic.
It is.